Oh, hey guys, I am just eating this sushi right here. It's Marwan's infamous sushi. We're gonna show you how why is it too dark? We're gonna show you guys how we made it. So simple. We got the kit from Amazon. We're gonna list it down in the description below. Okay? So, but where's my chef right there? Mmm, so good. So good.
What's the chopsticks? This is the last one for.
Oh shit. Hi guys, we are going to make sushi today. We are using the one we got from Amazon, and it's super easy. We're not a professional sushi maker, but this one just made it so easy. Marwan has been making them and they're so good. So I'll show you guys. We're gonna use what is this one?
Well,
Sushi rice.
Yeah, the Japanese rice, but we don't have it.
We don't have the Japanese rice, but we use the regular rice for it. So this is like the most basic sushi that you can make. So this is how it looks like with his bare hands. Just kidding. We're just gonna eat it anyway, so we're not gonna like share it or sell it to someone.
We're gonna sell it?
And then so you add more rice on the other side. So the rice has what's the mixture? The rice has sesame oil,
Seeds.
sesame seeds, sesame black seeds,
Rice vinegar.
the rice vinegar.